Welcome to BubbleDash. Join the laundry revolution and help yourself to more free time. Today, we're going to go over some of the other onboarding components for washers. There is a checklist here in the profile page you can follow as well. Hopefully, this should give you an idea of how easy it is to get started. This portion will include these topics: how to select areas you'd like to operate in, set address and phone number, how to set your availabilities for work hours. Actually, let's do that right now to get started. These are just the 7 days of the week, and the times are in 24-hour format. So 1300 is 1 p.m. By default, it is assuming a 9 to 5 schedule. So if you are cool with that, you can simply hit Save Changes. If you'd like to make some changes for each day, you can just select the times you'd be able to work from these drop-down options. Now, since we are here, let's fill out the address and phone number section. So in case you are wondering as to why we asked for this info, the address is mainly for the matching algorithm to be able to determine who best to assign loads to. Phone number is more for us to reach out to you in the event of an issue. We will update as we add new features and expand. So anyway, clicking Save Phone Number and Save Address will get you a few more items checked off on the onboarding list. Please put your address correctly and click your address from the Google Maps suggested list. In this case, it'll use a fake address for this test user. Next is the service area, which is where you'd like to work in. What we suggest is picking your city and a close neighboring city as well. So if you are in Kitchener, then you can pick Guelph, Kitchener, Waterloo, and even Cambridge if you really want to maximize earning potential. Hit Save Changes to save these settings. Scrolling up, you might see that those actions might still need to be complete. No problem, just refresh the page and it will show that it is updated. This is not necessary as we track it in the backend, but we all like green check marks. So what's left after these? There's the email verification, which is a link that is sent to your email when first registering, and Stripe setup for getting paid. If you scroll down here, just above the Stripe link button, there is some information about what to expect when you go to Stripe. BubbleDash does not control this, as we just partner with Stripe for payments. It could be different in some cases. There will be another video to go over this. If you need any help, you can either email us here at bubbledashservice@gmail.com or feel free to use the support feature. Clicking this will take you to the support page, which you can also get to from the navigation at the bottom right. Create a support ticket, and one of our agents will get back to you shortly. Just fill in all the details that you can to help us help you with your issue. So again, clicking this button will send you the link to onboard with Stripe. How it works is once Stripe onboarding is complete, then you will be redirected to BubbleDash. In some cases, there are checks, and this step could take a couple days in general. One important thing to keep in mind is these links are generated to be secure, so if you send this to yourself and don't get a chance to set it up until a few days later, it's possible the link may be expired. No need to panic in this case, just resend the link. Click the button again, and use the new link from your email. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks and have a bubbly day.